Okay, wait. I gotta make sure both YouTube and then also Twitch is working. So I'm using Twitch again. I don't know why I'm using Twitch. I don't know why, honestly. Twitch. Open. Does it open? Where the hell is it open? It's open there. So I'm streaming right now. Then where is a channel? There we go. Hello. Mic test. Streaming right now. Then where? Okay, it's working there. There we go. It's working on everything. Mic test. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. This is do we start? Let's start with the explanation. Okay, so my friend in high school wanted me to. He said it's his birthday, and he wanted me to make a survival world for him. And I'm okay. So the reasons why I'm doing this, right, is because I like my friend, or maybe. Is it because? Well, not that kind of. Is it because he's my friend? Maybe. Is it because I like terraforming in Minecraft? Maybe. I can tell you 100% something that is 100%. It's that as long as it kills time, I'm all for it. And this kills time, so let's do it. So I found a few things. I was looking up. I already have like a plan on my iPad. I drew some stuff, but you can't see it. There's a thing. Well, there's called world. There's the world edit mod, which I'm gonna get. There's world. No, what was it called? It was something. It was no. It was world painter. I think it's. Is it world builder? World builder Minecraft. No, that's just the mod. That's World Painter. Let me look. 1 second. I'm looking stuff up right now mostly. Terraforming in Minecraft on www.minecraft.net. It says World Machine. World Machine Minecraft. Okay, so there's a few questions like, okay, what is the point of World Painter versus World Machine? Because there's a difference, but I gotta know it. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna go make. You can't see what I'm doing, and I'm just gonna relay to you what I'm doing. I'm gonna make a folder called Minecraft Terraforming, which is where we're gonna put all the stuff I'm about to download probably. Okay, well, I'm gonna download the World Machine, but the free one. So I'm gonna make a folder in this Terraforming called World Machine. Like another one called World Painter. And also, I'm going to open up another file explorer, but that's just so we can have the downloads open so I can move them. So, where is it? This is World Machine Basic. Free for non-commercial use, fully featured, in 7, blah 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 blah. Let's see, World Painter. I'm brain dead. Just you gotta remember that I'm brain dead. To receive it, okay, no, I don't like education move. Just download World Machine. Okay, it's a .exe, obviously, because we need to run it. It'll take a little while, but we'll do it. For some reason, there's a lot of 21. Oh, oh. Like there was a meme just now I saw. It says take your age, add 21, subtract 9, subtract 10. That's your age. There was an Instagram I saw where someone says something about the 21, and I'm confused. Like, why 21? Why is this coming back? Like I understand it's like, but now I see it's because it's September 10th, 2021. Haha, funny joke. I have downloaded World Machine. Now we're gonna go to World Painter. And this requires Java version 8 or later, which I have no clue what version I have, but let's just pretend it's the, okay, let's pretend it's the most recent. How do we know if it's 64-bit versus 32-bit? Versus 32. Like, what's the difference? It probably isn't that important. It's old, slower, and less secure, while it's new. Okay, we got 64, baby. This is, yeah, okay. Download. Pick the file ending in .exe. Okay, so then I can move this over here. Alright. So I've downloaded both of them. I'm going to download them. Like, because you run it, and then you download it, and then you gotta run it. The install wizard could not find a Java runtime environment. Oh, god. Fuck. Yeah, I might have to install. Okay, what if okay, I'm gonna download the 32-bit. Let's see if maybe it's the 32-bit's the one I need. I'm gonna be kinda mad if it's. I know I have. I'm like almost 100% sure I have both, or the 64-bit. Zynga. Okay, move here. Cannot find the 32. Okay, now you're on acid. Now you're on acid. Alright. Where is 64-bit Jerry? Where is it? Are installed in the program files directory. Okay, it might be that it's not within like the folder, so I'll probably have to go to locate and then go over to my C Windows program files. I think 86. Then it says there should be a Java. Maybe Microsoft. Is that by Microsoft? I think it's on my Microsoft. No, wait. Let me go just to normal program files. Program files. Okay, let me go actually click the link so I can actually read the entire thing. Java. Okay, it should be in the program files. What if I just look in Windows and then type Java? And then it should find the folder, right? Here, Java. It's roaming though. I don't think this is it. That's not it. Yep, no. Should just let it do its thing. Java. Minecraft library. Is this all? Is it already okay? Java Bridge? No. Java Delta? No. Discord RPC? I don't know what that means. I think it's just Sun? No, I think it's this. I have to find. Wait. Well, what if I just type in Java? Like my computer just type in Java.exe. Should find it, right? Is that if that's what it's called? I don't know if it's called that. It might not be called Java.exe. Is it called Java.exe? Java.exe. It says it's just called Java.exe. Okay, so if I let it run, in the meantime, I'm gonna go to World Machine and let that do its thing. Yeah, that's fine. There's an agreement which I never. No. Who cares, right? Who cares? Who cares? It's not like this is making me sign up my liver or something. And my hope, you know. Oh wait, my Java's in my. Oh, wrong. I love being an idiot. Being an idiot is my favorite pastime. Okay, just download there. And then you don't need to search when I found it. There's just Java 64 in the bin. There we go, Java.exe. World Painter preparing the installation wizard. World Machine's already installed. Yeah, baby. Okay, here we go. It's preparing the installation wizard. Okay, click next. Okay, next. a license to where I want it to be. Let's put it in the folder I made for this. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Where is it? Minecraft Terraforming, there we go. And then World Painter. And then, ooh, create a start menu. Not for all users though. Which file? .word? I guess that's fine. Okay, so that means I've successfully installed them both. I'm pretty sure once it's over. Wait, I am online. What? Wait. Am I still like doing noise? I gotta make sure like I'm not too laggy. Am I still like doing noise? Wait, I can just listen in through my. Why is that buffering though? Hey, not important. Not important. I don't want to run it. Let me just finish. Okay, that's good. We got those two. So now, okay, now I have to look up how to use. Well, I think it's better to go from World Machine than to World Painter. That's from what I've gathered. That seems more of the easy. That seems the easier way. So let me see here. Go to the thingy, and then the thingy, then machine basics, and that should be the exe file. World Machine 64.exe. There we go. And then there's the basics. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you guys. I think it might be window capture. Yeah, it's probably window capture. Properties, capture, display 2. Wait, no, that's not what it is. Here we go. I should move this over though. Streamline, let's go over here. Not there though. I didn't say there. Okay. Is it? It's not there. Why? Properties. World Machine Blade? No, wait. There we go. Okay. This one. Okay, so this is World Machine. And, I have a tutorial, but I have not. You recommend you okay. Open example world. Create your terrain. Generate devices. Create terrain. Data and filter where it's combined. Blue boxes for filters. Erosion. Quick texture. Scene view. You can put geometry and texture in the world view. Okay. So is this like an example? I can change things like steepness. No wait, those are just wait. Oh wait, how do I say it said if you're new, just go to open example world. Okay. Discard. This is an example. Okay, tutorial 1. This intro. Okay, load. Well, are we gonna go through like the big tutorial? Maybe. This is tutorial progress. Okay. Beginner tutorials. Base familiar with computer terminology and functions. Persistence or octaves. I don't want to like generate. Well, I guess I do. I want to randomly generate terrain, but then specify a few things. The box below is okay. Our machine uses to create terrain and view terrain. That first device is actually a macro combination of many devices. Surrounds them are called groups. Completely optional, but helpful for organization. The devices can use wires, inputs, navigation, you want to build the world, otherwise you only look at the lowest version of what you're crafting. Click on the green circle top toolbar. I clicked it. Uh-oh. Wait, that's the basics. Take a look at the basic structure below. Macro. It's a group of devices. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, I can kind of see it. So if you look at it, let me move this. You can normally these things let you readjust. If you look at this, right? Wait, shoot. How do I move? How do I rotate the camera? So you kind of see, right, that like if you create the terrain, here's a terrain, everything that's there gets. So it's basically like two height maps. You got like a above sea level height map and a below sea level height map. At least that's what it's looking like. We're just using a macro to hide the devices themselves, so you can focus on navigation basic before we return the building. Macro is building the island where you see in the upper left hand corner. The output device is to one or more for you. Please, so you got bitmap and height field, and then there's also input for water. All right. So do I get to go to this one? So then, file, open example world, tutorial 2. Staying with the world we saw in tutorial 1, navigate around look for interesting places. You can, an infinite universe of here's according to the parameters you're setting. You can layout, blah, blah, blah. When you find a part of the universe you like, you can find a box around it. It's called a render extend. That's what you're going to see in the preview window. It's simply the area reviewing, working with an infinite possibilities you built. Render extend is part of the world. Okay. Okay. To explore render, make sure you select the device called View Terrain to the right of the screen. Maybe you want to take the next part. Layout view. Now go to layout view in the views menus. Layout view. I think I've used this before. I think I've used a views device work view. Okay, so do that. We already ended a few extents. Click the button to let's call new extent or change current. Just use the left and the right arrows. Spin them. Upper left hand corner. Okay. Okay, so if I should go to views, layout view, and then, okay, so they can set the sea level there. So where does it say it set the, view extents? Show elevation using director preview, lock view, project, okay, wait, views, device work view. Um, click the button to the left called new extent or change current. I don't think this is the right one though, because like I'm trying to views explorer view. That looks more like it. So then somewhere it should say scene setup explore. Is my headset low on battery? No, it just died because it thought I wasn't using it. Ooh, what'd I do? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, wait. Oh, there we go. But where, so wait, but I don't see where it says the snapshots history display guide. Maybe it's up here. New world, open example, save world. But I can kind of see now how it's kind of like in relation to this big world. But now, world machine, how to change render distance, I think it's called. Distance. How to change render distance. This is Unreal Engine 4. I want world machine. Was it? Is it called? It's called extent. 3D view, Explorer view, layout view. View extents. Not it. I how to change it? Videos? Is there something I'm missing here? Am I just stupid? Navigate to the layout view. No square, defining focus area already present. Few additional. Well, I'm not going to view mode. Pan around. Click the button to the left. Simply called add. There's. Alright, let's just look in here for what's it called? It was called extents. Conveyor viewpoint? No. I think I actually have to wait. What does it say? Presets. View extents. Wait, what the hell does it say? Okay, water level, output, 3D view, 2D view, layout view, okay, render extent modes. Render extent mode, what the? while operating in the overview mode. You can do nothing and merely zoom about the wait 2D view by pressing F9. This is view 2D view. Layout view. Okay. By pressing F6. You know, it's missing. I think. Show the project sidebar. No, wait. That's the project sidebar? Wait, no. Layout view. The most important thing of layout view. So I want to go to layout view. I'll just change the view to 3D. Yeah. Layer generator. Orbit. Free look. Lock view. Comparison. Best results. Tracing. Extend. Let me look. Extender. Review current scene. Render. It says render. There's no render extent mode. There's what? Should I just skip this because okay, it says project settings. Project settings. World dimensions? Okay, here that would okay, that's how. That's what it okay. Wait, it should have said that, but alright, let's just go to the next. Very basic world. It makes okay. When you see default world, it creates terrain, green boxes, put the various filters. Terrain filters. Each terrain uses an infinite fractal pattern. Different patterns. Rename device. Called curves. When I'm going to use it. There's no water though. Should there be no water? I guess all of this is like not like the flat grain. Okay, so now I think this over here lets me go quicker. Using layout generator. Different worlds for would that change the water? Because it's not showing the water. Okay, the water's there. Why is the water there? Is it this? Water input water, maybe? Maybe that's because maybe it's missing on this. Metadata input, metadata input. Yeah, that would seem to be it. I feel like this would be easier if I just had no clue what I was doing and just tried and found something that I got right eventually. I feel like if I tried to just do it randomly until I get it right, I think that would work better. Alright, natural effects, erosion, and thermal weathering, and then you can get the output. Okay. Creating roads, layers and masks, creating textures. I don't need textures. I'll just fix it in world paint. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have world paint, right? How to, wait, let me make Minecraft world with world machine, because I think that's very important. World machine basics it's called Blockworks. Okay.
With Minecraft. World Machine alone is not meant for Minecraft. It was not developed for Minecraft. It is just a terrain generation software. So you do need to go into this panel over here, the world.
Okay. We can do that later. I think, okay, so there's rivers, which, let's just look at how that works. We're going to use river device to plant river. This stores, it's first is just a water system or machine. Create terrain, distorting a path, adjusting terraces, adjusting the output curve. Primary input, erosion, and draw a river. View the water, scene view, base texture. I can do a lot of this myself. I think I just want the terrain generation, but let me go. I do actually really want to see the, let's see what this one's called. Automatic rivers. Spring to life. Okay. Large variations, terrain, erosion. Create water, scene view, flow restrict. Oh my god. I probably should read like what it's saying. Oh, let me just read this. Oceans. Okay. Create the islands. Raise them. Basic noise, coast erosion, ocean view. Jesus. Okay, okay, you know what? Let's just open a new world. Okay. I can change. And now, so I did that. And now there's this, but. Okay, so that like orange, I think that's just where the. So if I like raise down the steepness and raise down the elevation, I get. Well, if I do like something like this. Wait, okay, let me do this. This persistence changes. Okay. Just how like. But then the feature scale, I think. Oh my god. So probably like. Something like this. Like something like this would look like pretty cool. Like that. Like that looks really cool, don't you think? Like that looks cool. But I think okay, if I play with it like that, I have a way easier time understanding everything. Curves. Wait, you got that, then curves. Apply curve. So if I do like this, I get like an inverse effect. This is where there's water. So like if I move all of these here, then would I like end up with just water everywhere? Is the question. And this is just like your standard steepness though. Or wait, what is this? It's just curves. So I don't really know how this works, but I could mess with it and get something fun, I guess. That oh no, that just looks horrible. Is there an undo button? Yeah, there is. I think this just changes how like how they go, or like how do I phrase this? How they interact might be the so. This just changes the height, I think. It's like that. You got. No, it does. It doesn't do that. Just curve fade. I see. Erosion. That sounds like it could be fun. Let's do that. Duration. I think just how long it plays, it simulates it. But if we do like super rock hard and then erode, it's not gonna really do much. But if as we lower this, it will definitely change it. And then sediment carry amount. What does this change? I think this just changes like yeah. So if I do that, a lot of stuff will be built up on the edges. Version time intensifier. Oh, that just intensifies how much. Okay, that makes sense. Create texture and scene view, I guess, and just be as they are. Um, I do need to add the what is it? The create ocean. So wait, let me do a new one because I kind of missed this. New world. Right now, just don't save it. Just discard. Oh shoot, does this keep the changes I messed up on? Wait, let me go to like the 3D view, 3D view. This. Wait, how do I? That actually looks pretty cool. So, okay, but I have to. Okay, first I have to do the thing with the macros. River tool. Basic river character. Combine water mountain stream, water mask. Basic river character. Mountain stream. Mountain stream. Do I add that to Zoom view? Water input. If I select this and then like right click this and or how do I connect ports? Oh, I have to like click and drag. Okay. So if I move this to like here, then I click and drag this to here. Wait, what? I have to put mender strength. Can this connect to like literally anywhere though? No. Okay, we're gonna go open. What if I just like? No. Rivers and okay. I have to go to underwater track string. Can I just copy and paste like a ton of stuff? Like I can disconnect the port. I want to do that though. Um, like I'm scatterbrained right now. Let me just like scatterbrain through this. Okay, let me just go to the river. Okay, wait. This is underwater texturing. This is for the island. That's the erosion. Rivers and lakes. It goes flow, restructure, then shapes, and create water. So we need flow restructure, and create water. Okay. So if I go flow devices, flow control. Maybe if I do it up here, devices, flow control, outputs, generators, filters, combiners, natural filters, selectors, converters, flow control, macro. Wait, I think it says. Wait, I think I just realized something. Discard oceans, and because it doesn't say its real name, you gotta like. What's this real name? Rivers and flow restructure. That's what it's called. It's called flow restructures. Where is it? Oh, well, there's a quick search. Flow restructure. There we go. Alright. There's this. And then there was I wish I could remember honestly. Water generator. Was it water? Was it create water? I think it was create water. So primary output height field terrain. So do I just connect these two? Oh, there we go. So now what? Do I hit this? I have to send that, I think, into the scene view. Wait, there we go. And now, do I gotta like lower the, what's wrong with these? No data sent from source. A required port is not connected. Okay, we're going back to here. What do they have in here? Rivers, and this goes from coast erosion? Wait. That goes from coast erosion. Okay. Basic noise, coast erosion. Okay. And then that needs the input from this. Those two need, okay. Wait, I should just take like a screen, well, wait. I can have this open on the left, right? I can create, well actually I can open my folder, run it a second time, right? No, and then if I open a new world now, okay, this is cool. So now I have this on my left, which I can look at. So you have my advanced Perlin, which doesn't have any input, but I should probably go to, what is it, this? Billowy, current settings. Is there a way to paint? No. Oh, and this is just changing what. So I can scroll kinda. I have to try to find something that works for what I was kind of going for in my Minecraft world, if that's possible. I don't know. It probably. I wish I could like zoom out. Oh, I can change the seed. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Was the seed. So I put 6. Okay. Basic. Rigid. No. Billowy. Do I want billowy? I think billowy like reverses. I don't want billowy. Smooth ridged. It's kind of cool, but no. Smooth billowy. No. Sharp rigid, which looks nasty. There's flat middle, which I guess would be kind of good, because it'd be good for like a plains if I went like, well, that's just a zoom out and zoom in. So I want to be like this much, I think. Persistence, not like that, obviously, but like this. Steepness, like, not like, ooh, well, actually, that kind of looks pretty cool. Like, not super cool. I think if I change the elevation, that'd make it a lot better. And then if I change elevation, well, if I make it like pretty steep, and change the middle elevation, and change the features, no. Oh, there we go. Well, persistence makes it like that. So if I do, well, if I do like this and then go far, well, that looks horrible. But if I do this and then go away, it still looks horrible. I have to find like a good middle ground. Um, I feel like that's good, and then I just have to find like a good distance. I feel like that looks really good. Maybe change the middle elevation a little. Yeah, that looks fine. Now this is good. I like how this looks. Now I just gotta find a good looking spot, which center device to origin, set device origin and layout view. What if I just go to like 0, 0? I think all this does is like, because it's repeating, right? Maybe I should try changing the seed. Well, I think I have to add water first, and then I can make it look a lot better. Just do like the seed number 10, alright? I feel like I shouldn't have it this deep, but then you want to get cool looking mountains. Actually, I gotta go 0.95. I said 0.95, not whatever the hell that is. Oh, damn it. 900? Maybe we go 100, 1000. Okay. 0.4? 0.5? Not 0.5, or maybe if we go down 7 km. Okay, and then this probably should be at 0.4. That looks a lot better. It's gotta be more blocky, but I think this is pretty cool. Um okay, go to the devices. So I've made my purlin. Where's the curves on this one? I don't think there are curves. Or are the curves down? There's no curves with this one. It's then there's islands. Which means we should probably change this to have a lot more. Well, we could just change the sea level, right? Let's just put it at one kilometer right now. Let's put 1 kilometer as the current uh thingy. And then we got wait, it says our purlin. It says the purlin should have a larger feature size and more contrast. Lower the elevation. Smooth. Well, okay, let's just do this. It looks kind of wacky, but it's fine. So we have our advanced Berlin. I gotta delete. Disable device, randomize device, detach devices from this network. Wait, device specific actions. How to delete device. Select it and choose from the edit menu. Edit, delete, select. Okay, easy peasy. Oh shoot, all this time you guys have been watching that one. Right, okay, I have to change the... I'm sorry, that's on me. That's World Machine. There we go. Alright, now you guys can see that one. So you got Advanced Berlin, and then I need to add a new one called Island. No. Island. It's called Basic Noise. So I'm gonna kind of try to match our basic Perlin or the advanced Perlin to that one. It's kind of similar, but not too similar. You know what I'm saying? So let me try to match it. It's like I think the middle elevation is what makes it like a different. It's kind of like this, I'd say. Okay, and then we get the basic noise, which is the kind of like where the island is. So basic noise, do do do, big mask, plain. What the fuck? Feature scale. Style rigid billowy. Oh, let me change the seed, because that's what's making it look all ugly. I don't know what octaves is, but I feel like I should put it a lot higher, I think. Like 4 octaves. What if well, I can put like high octaves. What if I put high persistence on low octaves? It's like the same effect more or less. I think 4 octaves is good, and then like a 0.3 persistence, and then the steepness. Well, I'm gonna put it at point. Ooh, that's a good number. I like that number. And then what C do I want? 1, 2. Maybe I should decrease the feature scale to be like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, let's just use that. I'm probably gonna do this and then realize that this isn't useful at all, honestly. So then we have a multiply, which is actually just called combiner. Combiner. So I can take this, take you into here, you into here. Erosion will be later, but right now we're gonna just remove. So then I have to have a thing called combine, another combiner. And then I need a thing called select height. So I take this, do that, then move this to here, take this. Okay, and then that's that. Now I have another basic noise, which okay, that's then we'll have a erosion, coast erosion, where this goes in there, and then this goes in here too. Now that will I have to have now it's called ocean view. Wait, what's the real name of that? It's called scene view. Scene view. So um, this goes here. That goes here. This one's skipped. Then there's a thing called coastal mass, which is called checkpoint. These 3 go in here. And now I need flow restructure. And these 2 also go. That goes here, and this goes here. And then that goes to shapes. That goes to create water, then erosion. But this one actually comes from down close enough. This is just my brain. Create water. And then now I have just normal erosion. And then that goes there. Now I have this top one and this bottom. Oh yeah, this top one goes to here. This one goes to here, and this goes to scene view. The required port is not connected. Okay, I see, because we're missing the create water should also go. This is the bottom scene view. Delete wire. That's a lot. That by itself should show. It's not loading though. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna call that good. We've tried world machine. Confusing, but I guess if in the right hands could be useful. Let's go to world painter. See how that works. No, you don't have my permission. Okay. Why does it not refresh your properties? Window. None of these actually. You're wrong on all of them because there's new ones now. Here we go. Okay. So, second. World Painter for Minecraft. World Painter Minecraft. This looks like it could be useful because you actually kind of got like things. Okay, World Painter Guide. Okay. Select Tool. Select Paint. Terrain. And how do I draw? Oh, this is just text. Let me choose a brush. Terrain. Tools. Spray paint, pencil. Layers. Terrain. Doesn't do anything. Let's just watch. I'm gonna watch a YouTube video.
Found in my videos. All this is thanks in the past to a program called World Painter. I've been using the program. Purchased one of my USB schematics and default brushes close on the right hand side. Hit up again and it's as simple as that. On Tools, open the custom brushes folder and place the custom brushes into this file. After that's done, just close World Painter, start it up again, and it's as simple as that. Your custom brushes will be installed. So rather than showing you every single available tool on World Painter one by one, I rather just create a new Minecraft world, and this way you guys can follow along and create your very own custom map. To start off with, just head over to File, New World, and you will be presented with a whole bunch of settings. Now this is some really basic stuff, so don't worry too much about this guys, just name your Minecraft world. I'm gonna name this Juracraft Custom Map, choose the dimension.
For 1 by 1.15 or later. Dimension is gonna be, well, ideally, we're probably just listing this out, but 4,000 by 4,000. That might be too big, but whatever. In multiples of 128. Okay, time to Google multiples of 128. Like here, let's see. Okay, 128 times 40 times 30 times 31. Okay, there we go. 300, 960. 3,968. 3,968, and that's circular world? No. Height? Edge walking time is 60 minutes if you just spent all your time walking. I think that's good. Hilly or flat? I want, like, hilly. Hill height. So this can be, like, that hilly. Versus the horizontal. If I set this at, like, 0, or there's just no hills. Maybe I have to set it at, like, at least something. Ooh, that's not good. So, like, 50 creates smaller hills. So, 60 hill height? I don't want it to be too hilly. I guess kinda hilly. I mean, maybe like 80. Maybe like I gotta change like the seed because I know there's like random. Wait, level 58. Wait, what? Well, the default 62, but I want it at 64. No. Beaches, yes. Okay. Surface material, just leave it as grass for now. Minecraft seed, ocean, land. I want it to be land. Or no, no, no. Damn it. So if I hit enter, it just creates it. What do I click, though? I don't think you can change this. I think you just gotta randomize this over and over again until you get something you like. So let's just do this again. Hilly, hill height, let's just say 50. I guess it shouldn't be too high. 20. That's what it was before. Do I want to be like more hilly than that or less hilly? I guess I want to be probably less. Put it at 18, and then this. If I put this at like 55, no. So maybe can I put this at like more than 100%? I can't apparently. I'll just put it at like 150%. Water level at. That can actually really flood it. This lowers the. Okay, so this is the level of the natural world, and so. Well, I'll just leave it at like 62, 62 though, and I can change it later. I guess yeah, leaving it at like 70, 58. Let's do it at 58 for now. Beaches, yeah, no, just leave this grass. Okay, so now I just want to like randomly generate my world. Actually, I do want to up this because I don't want them to be too close. No, not 2,000, 200. Let's just go with this. Or blah, 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 blah. There we go. Going with this one. Great. So now we got a world. Okay, tutorial.
Dimensions. I'm gonna go very pretty much just gonna keep it grass and click on.
People who value sleep
An
sleep on
ad.
a Nectar
Great.
mattress. But you're not gonna believe me.
You need to click on the height tool. This will allow you to raise and lower the height of the terrain, obviously. Then select one of your custom brushes. I'm just gonna select this random mountain right here, and by left click.
Let's see. Is there smooth? Height, flatten, smooth. There we go. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is get one of these hard brushes, right? And I'm gonna. How do I change? Because right now it's. I can't tell if it's heightening or lowering. Oh, there we go. This is how. So I'm gonna increase the size. Is this? Oh, I can raise or lower the entire map. New height. Just put it at 32. Wait. Shoot. No. Shoot. Let's just get around with it. Let's just get used to how the tools work. That way I don't look like an idiot. If I just lower the height of everything, just down to 0, I guess. Well, I don't even know what level this is, honestly. Well, this is level 0. Okay, there we go. But now we can, like, raise the terrain. Is there a way to change the power or the strength? Actually, it says on bottom left hand corner. Oh, here we go. Intensity. Then with this, I can flatten out the terrain a bit. Make it look not as nasty. Cool, okay, okay. This is raises a mountain out of the ground. I assume then, like, right afterwards I'd have to... Actually, no, the reason it did that is because of the intensity. If I have, like, a low intensity, probably be able to do some stuff like this, and then be able to smooth it out nice and good. Like that. Base pyramid. Rotate pyramid. Fill a clear world with terrain, biome, or later. Change the spawn point. So, like, I can put the spawn point, like, here. Global operations. Invert or later chasms? Caves? No. Perform a global operation. No. Fill with biome. No. Flood an area with water. Oops. I see. So, like, okay. Fill it with lava. Text. Flood. Paint. I'm assuming that I can just yeah. If I make the strength like this, then yeah. Okay. And then there's spray paint layer. I can spray paint biomes. Can I just draw biomes too? With any terrain. Okay. I think I got the hang of this. I'm gonna go do this later today. Are there more biomes than this? What about the show biomes? Is that be important? And annotations. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be back. I'll be back and like 3 hours from now, and I'll